Looking to upgrade your car's audio system? In this video, we've rounded up the best car speakers in 2026 that deliver crystal clear sound, powerful bass, and outstanding performance for every budget. Stay tuned to discover the top speakers that can transform your daily drive into an amazing listening experience. Starting at number 1. Pioneer Z Series TS Z65CH 6.5-inch two-way speakers. The Pioneer Z Series speakers are engineered for high-resolution audio, delivering a sound experience that is exceptionally clear, sharp, and complex, closely resembling the original performance. This two-way component speaker system features mid-range and tweeter drivers designed for optimal off-axis frequency response, making them ideal for automotive applications where speakers may be directed away from listeners. With a maximum power handling of 330 watts and a continuous power handling of 110 watts, these speakers provide dynamic sound with crisp highs and deep lows, ensuring clarity and accuracy across a wide frequency range from 30 Hz to 96 kHz. Additionally, the speakers have a sensitivity rating of 85 dB, allowing them to produce clear and loud sound even with lower power inputs, enabling listeners to enjoy their music without distortion, even at elevated volume levels. Number 2. Kicker CS Series CSC 65 6.5-inch. The Kicker CS Series CSC 65 6.5-inch car audio speakers are a solid factory speaker upgrade designed to deliver clearer sound and stronger bass in a wide range of vehicles. These two-way coaxial speakers feature polypropylene woofer cones, durable surrounds, and half-an-inch PEI dome tweeters with neodymium magnets for detailed high frequencies. With 300 watts of peak power, 100 watts RMS, 90 dB sensitivity, and a 40 Hz, 20 kHz frequency range, the CSC 65 speakers offer impressive performance while their shallow mounting design helps simplify installation behind factory grills. Number 3. Alpine S2, S65 and S2, S65 CRS series. The Alpine S2, S65 and S2, S65 CRS series 6.5-inch two-way high-res full-range and component speakers that offer a maximum output power of 80 watts and a frequency response reaching up to 40,000 Hz. These speakers utilize speaker wires for connectivity and provide stereo audio output mode. Designed for a dynamic and natural listening experience, both the full-range coaxial and component speakers are high-res audio certified, ensuring complete audio coverage. They feature robust, lightweight cones made from a unique blend of polypropylene, glass fiber, and mica, which minimizes distortion while delivering high output for precise sound reproduction. Additionally, Alpine's exclusive HAMR surround technology enhances bass response by allowing maximum cone excursion for deep, powerful bass tones. The speakers offer flexible setup options, including both coaxial and component configurations to accommodate various installation and sound staging needs. For added style and protection, both models are compatible with the KTE S65G speaker grille, which is sold separately, helping to maintain peak performance over time. Number 4. Alpine HDZ 653 speaker. The Alpine HDZ 653 speaker system delivers an impressive maximum output power of 100 watts and features a wide frequency response range from 55 Hz to 40,000 Hz. Ensuring high-resolution audio clarity that allows listeners to immerse themselves in the intricate details of their music. Designed with advanced technology, it includes a 3.5 carbon composite mid-range and a 1.25 dome tweeter, complemented by a 6.5 carbon composite woofer with a double-gathered edge surround, capable of handling up to 100 watts RMS and 300 watts peak power. The speaker's connectivity is facilitated through speaker wires, and it operates in stereo audio output mode, providing robust and clean sound through the efficient SA32F amplifier for an enhanced listening experience. Number 5. DS18 Audio System. The DS18 audio system features a mid-range driver designed to excel across the audible sound spectrum, providing exceptional sound quality for both instrumental and vocal performances. With a maximum output power of 500 watts and a 250W RMS at 4 ohms, the PRO X6.4BM speaker ensures powerful audio delivery suitable for a wide range of applications. Additionally, the system includes top-tier professional-grade super tweeters that effortlessly handle high frequencies, meticulously crafted to deliver outstanding sound quality and aesthetic appeal. The PRO TW220 Faireye tweeter further enhances the audio experience, offering an impressive 225 watts RMS and 350 watts max at 4 ohms, complete with a built-in capacitor filter. By upgrading to these high-end tweeters, users can significantly enhance their audio system, unlocking the full potential of their stereo setup and experiencing a richer sound landscape. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best car speakers in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect speakers for your car audio upgrade. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.